Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you here about to help you how you can start to make a stamp on Bluebeam. This is about to help you through the subject that is starts to help you about it and how we can start to see the situation. That is I am about to help you right now through the same that is about to help you and underestimate how we can start to see the significant thing that is about right now through what we are going to do and how we can start to see the important moment that you are going to have through it. As you can see about what we are going to have through this situation, go to the tools stamp, create a stamp, enter the subject of the stamp, and then by default use your username is entered by as the host. Select a template, enter the width and the heights in inches on the stamp. Keep any of the following appearance properties as desired. Click OK and the stamp will open in the edit mode, and that is all about to help you.